Who is responsible if a robot makes a mistake? This is one of the most complex and debated questions in the world of robotics and artificial intelligence. As robots become more autonomous, responsibility for their failures enters a very gray legal and ethical area. The answer isn't simple, as the blame can fall on several parties. Generally, responsibility is evaluated on a case-by-case basis and can be attributed to the manufacturer if the error was due to a design defect, a hardware failure, or an inherent software problem. Or it could be the programmer or developer if the failure was caused by a coding error or a faulty algorithm. And in other cases, the blame falls on the owner or user if the error occurred due to improper use of the machine, not following safety instructions, or not performing adequate maintenance. A real-world example of this complexity is the case of a fatal Tesla accident in Florida in 2019. A driver using autopilot failed to pay attention to the road and crashed into a parked vehicle, killing one person. During the trial, it was debated whether Tesla's driver assistance system failed, or if the driver was solely responsible. The jury made a landmark decision. It determined that the driver was 67% responsible, but also found the company responsible for 33% because it considered the autopilot system to have defects. This case showed that responsibility can be shared and is a key precedent for future litigation. But the biggest problem arises with robots that use artificial intelligence and learn on their own. If a robot makes an unexpected decision that causes harm, who is to blame? The algorithm that made it learn? The manufacturer who didn't anticipate the situation? Or the machine itself? Currently, robots do not have legal personhood and cannot be prosecuted in court. However, as AI becomes more sophisticated, some experts debate the idea of granting them some type of legal status, although this remains a very distant and philosophical concept. In short, today, responsibility almost always falls on the human side, whether it's the manufacturer, the programmer, or the user. However, as technology evolves, law and ethics will have to adapt to face a future in which machines not only follow rules, but also make their own decisions.